Welcome to Unique Views YouTube channel. We have been bringing new motivational videos. Today's video is going to be an important for you, those who are watching at this moment. In this episode, I am talking about fun in life. Especially, I will share an idea of how to be fun in life by following the rules of the law of attraction. Please watch this video from start to finish and don't miss to subscribe these channels if you are new to my channel. We will be bringing such an important videos for you. I am very grateful to the book Law of Attraction, namely 101 Powerful Ways to Use the Law of Attraction, written by Dr. Steve G. Jones and Frank Mangano, for the reference materials for this video. Now start today's subject matter, how to have fun in our life. It might be very interesting and important topic as everyone needs to have fun in life. If you are feeling bored and unfulfilled, guess what happens? You will attract more boredom and things that you don't fulfill your emotional needs. Not having fun is a choice you make from within, not really a product of our environments at all. Have you ever watched a child play with the same toy for hours and days, coming up with new ways to make each moment unique? Rekindled your ability to do similarly, and you will unlock the doors to all the fun you could want. For this, what to do? The first step is to loosen up. Then put a smile on your face and start making a list of everything that you have done that you find fun. Think about how much fun you have doing certain activities by visualizing them in your mind and allow those feelings to make you feel good now. Take your list of things that you enjoy doing and make a promise to yourself to do more of them. If money is an issue, there are tons of ways to have fun without dropping a dime. Take up a challenge, become passionate about a hobby, get out of the house and meet people, volunteer for a charity or organizations such as a no-kill animal shelter, learn a new skill, or do something different with your routine. All of these things can help spice up your life and make you feel the fun again. Now, I am giving some important tips for practicing affirmations to have fun in your life. Please practice these affirmations wholeheartedly. I always have fun no matter where I am or what I am doing. I always surround yourself with people that like to have fun. I am easily able to use my imagination to make anything fun. Life is full of fun adventures, comical experiences and exciting journeys. Fun always finds me wherever I go, and everything in life is fun for me. Now let's start on the visualization techniques for bringing a fun in life. Think about a time that you had the most fun you have ever had. Now recreate that day and event in your mind as accurately as you can. You can actually trick your mind into feeling like it has just had a lot of fun with this technique and keep you going through the day with more happiness. The happier you are, the more fun will find you. Remember to use all of your sense to imagine the fun time. See your surroundings, smell the sense in the ear, hear and sound, feel the things you touch, and taste the things you eat or drink. Also, be sure to think about how you feel emotionally too. That's the most important part. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some important ideas to have fun in your life. It will certainly help you get happiness, as it is an indispensable element that we must have in our life. Thank you.